I'm Allie Stroker, and this year is the 25th anniversary of Christopher Reeve's accident. And this year we celebrate the legacy that Christopher and Dana Reeve have left behind, which is the Christopher and Dana Reeve Foundation. They have become the voice and the face of our community. My life as an actress and a singer with a spinal cord injury has been so amazing, and I know that I could not have done any of what I have achieved without support. And the Christopher and Dana Reeve Foundation gives this to people who are newly injured, families who are looking for resources. The foundation is here for them. Christopher Reeve was America's Superman. He was so special to all of us. And I believe that he is one of my angels, one of those angels that follows me in my career and helps me along when things get really tough. So this year, if you are able, please donate to the Christopher and Dana Reeve Foundation. We need their support, and we need your support. So if you can, it's christopherreeve.org, and I hope you all have a beautiful summer. Thank you.